Oh, just what we need. Bears.
Bears? We don't get a lot of bears around here.
But what's that?
That's no bear. That's just my tummy. It gets a wee bit growly when I'm hungry. Oh, the bears around here? Sorry, that's just my hungry tummy. Got any more biscuits?